Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make voting poll in WhatsApp. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To create a voting poll in WhatsApp, follow these steps. So first thing we need to do is launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Choose the chat or group where you want to create a poll, then tap on the clip icon, then tap on the poll. Type your question in a chat input field. For example, which movie should we watch this weekend? Format your poll question by using square brackets. It's only an optional if you want to include these brackets on your options, then you can't do it. So now for example, brackets option 1, option 2, and option 3. Once you type your question and options, send the message. WhatsApp doesn't have the built-in poll feature, but formatting your question and options within square brackets allows others to respond by simply replying with a number or text corresponding to their choice. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.